If you want to set password for apps on CMF Phone 2 Pro, then first of all we need to go to settings. Over here in the settings, go to apps. Next, scroll down a little bit and go to app locker. Enter the screen lock password. Proceed. Now we can select apps that should have a password. So let's say I'm gonna choose the Chrome browser and YouTube. They are now listed at the top over here. And now they are pretty much locked. You can unlock them by simply entering the same password that you have for your phone. But if you want to, you can also just set up a privacy password, which is a separate password for these for the app locker. In order to do so, we need to choose lock settings over here in the app locker and then go to privacy password. Enter the password. First, we need to enter the screen lock password actually. There we go, and then we need to continue to set up the privacy password. So follow the instructions and you should be able to use the new password. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye!